Getting on brand means you have to get in the right room. I see so many people who stop me at events and ask me, Bijal, where is my brand off brand? And in a quick 15-minute session in a corridor, I literally will show and tell them, hey, this is where your website is off, this is where your colors are off, this is why your messaging isn't hitting your market like you think it should. If you want to be in a room, in a space where you get to workshop live with me and my really good friend, Taylor Welch, who is amazing at business, but also marketing and copywriting is his jam. We're gonna be teaching you live on branding and content strategies. And you're going to get to see that in a setting that's beautiful off of San Diego. There's an island called Coronado. We're gonna have a ton of fun. More importantly, you're gonna get hands-on workshop time so you can walk away from the event ready to go. It's in September 12th and 13th. Link in the comments so that you can apply to see if you qualify.